These are the elevators that go to the Arte Museum or something like that. It's got Innovation Prestige Cobblins, but on the inside it's Gen 3, which is actually really interesting. It will show up. They are kind of busy considering one's broken. They are Gen 3. Going up? You guys going to 2 or 4?
We looking for Ocean Prime.
Ocean Prime's 4. Okay.
I appreciate that.
Yeah.
Press the damn. Thank you, champ.
You're welcome. There's music playing. Oh, we're stopping. 1, 2. The break. Someone going up here? I guess not. I'm probably still getting copyright notification. There you go. For your side.
Thank you, champ.
You guys have a good one. To get the cab view. It's a really nice elevator, actually. I didn't actually press a button, so maybe I should press 2. Okay, it's stopping there otherwise. It's always stopping here? Oh my god, that's... Okay, this is cursed. That is actually really cursed. Yeah, that one doesn't work. Alright, that's it.